Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Tacos here today, and today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. In this video I have episode 44 of my speed art series. It's going to be with a revamp for Team Villainous. This is going to be the second part. This is the one I'm actually going with, and I'm pretty sure this is the one they're using right now, so check it out. HC links in the description. So anyways, guys, this is my boy Tacos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yo, 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 yo. Bitch. Drop top, foreign goons, cup a new whip. Only fuck with bitches, give me top, man, some new drip. Full clip, kill that nigga on some whole shit. He don't wanna smoke, so I hit him in his fucking lip. Drop top, foreign goons, cup a new whip. Only fuck with bitches, give me top, man, some new drip. Full clip, kill that nigga on some whole shit. He don't wanna smoke, so I hit him in his fucking lip. All these niggas beefing, but they really wanna smoke. Glasses on my neck, diamonds glistening like snow. OG bought a pound, bitch be smoking on the go. If you got a pound, then my chopper's gonna know. Drop shit, pussy nigga, he gon' run quick. Musty, like it's under your whole top dick. Suck dick, yo pretty like the fucking suck dick. Ain't gonna hit your feet, now you do a fucking backflip. Drop top, foreign goons, cover a new whip. Only fuck with bitches, give me top, man, some new drip. Full clip, kill that nigga on some whole shit. He don't wanna smoke, so I hit him in his fucking lip. Drop top, foreign goons, cover a new whip. Only fuck with bitches, give me top, man, some new drip. Full clip, kill that nigga on some whole shit. He don't wanna smoke, so I hit him in his fucking lip. Yeah. Bitch.